My guy been dey suggest to me, say since now what women want, we supposed to do this show for saloon. Now we have get small idea. I don't understand. Ladies, I beg, I want to ask on her. We want to learn this trend to they put body cream inside fridge. Because you need the favors. Just last week, I did my uncle's house. My uncle just come back and he bought bread. My uncle just come back with bread, enter kitchen. As he want open fridge, never take light. But you know, if na your house, even though your house is dark, you know your way around. My uncle open fridge, carry something they rub for bread. You know, say na Nivea cream. Or in tongue on the bleach. I mean. You understand? And Nigerian women, na soft life. I make as a guy, once you enter public transport, see woman where you know, automatically now you go pay her transport. And I saw them do. One boy down from Ajana, just keep 600 to go CMS, come back. Sit down for front so that nobody go touch him. The girl touch somebody, touch conductor come touch somebody they call you. Hi, Cindy, where are you going? About pay 600, do road work going no plan. Women, I don't understand. Have you noticed now, say for this island, number of girls who they cook for their house, no reach 8. And then they cook again. After church, enter fast food now. See the way women line up. Please, I need basmati rice. My husband is famished. Please. What thing happen? How much be gas? No wonder all the places where they feed gas. You know if you see queue. Because nobody they feed gas. Everybody just... And I don't even understand. I see two girls the other day, they won't go burial. They still get time, they do makeup. Wait, you no plan to cry for the burial? They do makeup to attend burial. It shocked me. Oh. And our Nigerian girls, when I leave all this Telemundo, all this is one of the CEO. African men like food, oh. If you want to marry, you must know how to cook. Men like food. Men, true of us. African men like food. I don't MC one girl wedding for Were. The girl no sabi cook, nothing. As everybody go, only she and her husband. She they do canned food, everything. Now the man done the verse. He want eat better food. Now she want do white rice and stew. They live for Port Harcourt. If you're conversant with Port Harcourt, under flyover, you get one book where they say how to make a good meal. Different kind of food they inside. Jollof rice, fried rice, chim, cake, everything. They sell at 150. Okay, just imagine your wife, they do my practice for kitchen. They cook for you with Expo. She don't boil rice. Now she won't make stew. Now she open on page 4. How to make stew. Put pot for fire. She carry the pot, pour granite oil. She pour Maggi. And she dey peel the Maggi, breeze come blow the page to how to make ogbono soup. When she look, the next thing what she see now, add ogbono and achi. She did her papa house now. They don't. Yeah. Laugh. Oh. Don't use laugh, kill yourself. Laugh. Now the same work. All of us now vendor. Yeah, so do I have my Igbo people here? Cha Igbo Kwenu. Anywhere you go for this world, Igbo man no they run. Oh, that place no good. Even for Nyanya, when they throw bomb, Igbo man they the second canvas. Buy your canvas, make Igbo bomb. In first son, they say pure water. That is how it is. We don't go about one day to go do show, my brother. I enter fast food. Make I buy something, I shock. When I see for the menu, they write meat pie with NEPA, 250. Here they write meat pie with Jen, 300. I said, and I saw this thing don't be. From about they go Port Harcourt, inside hold up, now I buy gala. So I collect the gala, won't open up. My guy said, check the expiring date. As I check and behold, now that day, June 14th. Now I call the boy back. The boy says, I won't buy more, ain't wrong come. Nothing I say, my brother, the gala don't expire now. You know Igbo boys, with the verse, then they take 2 steps back. And the boys say, Onyem. Expiring date of Panozole. Now I say, see, I'm now June 14th. Now I say, today I never finish now. If you want chop gala, no they. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's a pure comedy show, yeah? Our comedians are not going to see back to back because what think they make this noise? They distract us. Our comedians are not going to see back to back. Musicians, their problem don't tire us. For this entertainment industry, take it from me, now only the comedians, they humble. Then the Nollywood actors. Musicians are proud. Upcoming night, then they perform, then go they calm down. Once them blow, as big as Basket Mouth, AY and Buffy, if then they travel, then they alone. Musician, once them blow, then they work out with 11 people. If they book the video for show for Port Harcourt, they work out with 11 people. Waiting, then they walk. One go just hold flash drive. Now you go use enter flight from here to Port Harcourt. They'll lodge you for hotel. The second one go hold white towel. And then they share room, all these artists. They get pride, one room. Especially down where they do Amlu. Our guys, very soon, the way song don't take the rampant, very soon for this Nigeria. Meanwhile, I don't even know the kind of way they sing for us. Allow me, they just gather the full country. They point one place, they say, see Mary, see Jesus, see now, even Nazareth, we never see. Very soon, Nigerian music, the way they go now, very soon, they're going to advertise gospel events with secular song just to get audience. Go just they drive inside your car. Go to hear holy money, holy fire, holy money, holy fire. Once they get your attention, you go hear the Ministry of Boys Crusade presents 10 days of miracle, signs and wonders featuring Nathaniel Bassi, Panam Pasipo. Venue, Echo Hotel. Time 6 p.m. Come and be delivered of all your financial problems. Jesus is Lord. The advert will continue. Olodumare, bless you with money. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my time. My name is MOP. Thank you. On Instagram is MOP Comedian, yo. God bless you all and enjoy yourself.